Okay, little patio de Cabaia. So we're just gonna capture this. I'm gonna go inside that in a moment, but before we even do, I'm gonna just walk around here a little bit and just kind of give you the context of how crowded and interesting it is, and kind of show you what that little patio, what it's like on the inside and what it's like on the outside. Because once you go outside, it's very, very crazy crowded with tourists. So we're actually gonna walk into that a little bit after we do our patio. And we're gonna walk around this little square triangle thing too. That the patio has some nice places to sit, like here as well. So anyway, stay tuned. And then of course, our main goal is to go inside of that right there, the Pátio de Cabaia. So stay tuned for that in Macau. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so that's the patio that we're gonna go down. Before we even go in, we're gonna go this way first. Just kind of give you some context. So if some people live in that patio, I know two people who do, and a business that's down there too. And they have this nice little place that they can sit outside as well. We got some stores. Guma tofu. I keep seeing the word, the second time I saw the word guma today. Guma tofu. Okay, so this one goes up to the fortress, Fort Manche, which is way up there. If we kept following that all the way up, we would get up to something like that. This is sandwich shop. So you got mango and cheese, strawberry and cheese. So it's kind of yeah, little sandwiches. Okay, so that patio is going to be our focus over there. The Durian Garden. I guess I can see why people really like Macau a lot. Because there's a lot of stuff to like. There's a patio, there's a durian. So let's go down our patio and then we're going to come back out and we'll show you what it's all about in a moment. So yeah, this is outside the patio, so let's go in. So Pátio de Cabaia. Then there's actually some places to eat that are right inside. So actually that would be a perfect place to sit and enjoy. The menu is all in Chinese, but if you have a translator on your phone, you can translate it into English. And then they even wash their dishes here. It doesn't look very clean. But then you have a little thing right over here. Guayin. And you got a fish sandwich. So we are going to come back out here in a second, and then we'll go back into those crowds as well. But yeah, these little patios they're pretty cool because they're so quiet, so laid back. And it's kind of interesting too. There's a little street light, floodlight, so you can see what street you're on if it's late at night and you're not really so sure, I guess. Yeah, this patio, so if you were living in here, it'd be so quiet, right? And then you walk into all these restaurants and shops and things like that. That's good for my thumbnail because it's take a little bit of the ground. Oh, I didn't know that this did this. I didn't know that this patio came out to this main street right here. So actually that patio comes out to here. This is Rua de Manche. So yeah, I didn't realize that patio had a little entrance like that. That was a little triangle that we're at. So there's actually two ways to go in and out of that. So we're gonna go back in. I've been in this patio before, I just didn't know that that was like that. And there's a hairdresser, Portuguese guy. He has his shop down here. It's probably closed because it's Christmas. But if it's open, I'll say Merry Christmas to him. So let's go on down this way. I'd be really surprised if it's open. Then this place is it's like a Japanese place right here. So I think they have izakaya, I believe. And there's actually people in there today. It's really cool. I got a good friend of mine, he speaks fluent Portuguese, fluent Japanese, Korean, and Chinese. I've been telling him he needs a YouTube channel because that would be amazing. Because he could talk to them. And then this one right here, I think of that Portuguese shop, Portuguese owner it's closed today. So I don't know if he's still closed all the time, but I think that might be part of his shop. Hello. Let me see, I got a trading shop. So this is all part of this little patio. And these are some of these older style homes right in here. There's some really famous ones called Seis Casas, and but they're like kind of like the patios will sometimes have those older Chinese style homes like that. Here's a Japanese one. I would love to interview that guy, but not in English. But yeah, that place looks so cool. So they got their little thing outside, and there's like some customers in there too. So I'm sure they came from Japan, enjoying Macau in the Christmas holidays. Okay, so we're gonna go back and we'll give you some more context of our street. So we're going to, so that was this beautiful little patio, right? And we come out to this spot. And now they got some clients, I think, customers. Maybe not, I think they're just hanging out, they're not actually getting food. Okay, so now we're gonna walk slightly into this. Then this whole, hello. Macau's a small place, so a lot of people are getting ice cream here. And then this is Pátio Street, and that goes into St. Paul Street, which goes to St. Paul Ruins. But we are going to go this way. For some reason, ice cream is very popular for Instagram. So here's another, this mocha store was the one that we did another street called Fortuna. So that guy's advertising for that. So he's kind of saying that they're 100 yards up, 100 meters up. And then you can get some green ice cream for Christmas. So our little Cabaia patio was right off of this Pátio Street. And I'm going to go up to the circle up there and give a nice conclusion for the whole street. Okay, so I'm going to kind of show you what's around here, and then we're going to end our video for that little patio. So this right here goes up to the Portuguese bookstore, which is that yellow and blue and white building straight ahead, that one. And then the Portuguese consulate is straight ahead further up a little ways. And this one is Travessa de Sé Cathedral. So there's a cathedral at the top of this one. Very, very busy as well. Today's holiday. Let me just bring the camera up here real quick. So you see how busy that street is as well. People everywhere. So you had that's Sao Domingos. That direction here is Sao Domingos. The one behind me was Say. That one is Paya. That one went to the Patio. And then this other one that we're gonna, oops, sorry. This other one is Domingos. So we basically just did like 4 streets there. There's Domingos, Paya, and then Domingos again, and Say. And then this one, of course, goes to our little patio, which is right up there near the green and big green neon sign. So that's it for this video. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la mocidinha.